Hi guys, this is Yudbir and today I'm going to teach you one neat little trick that you can use to free up the RAM when you need it the most. Actually, what happens is like your system store programs in its cache memory. In case it needs to open it again, it do it faster if it already loaded. But what happens is like most of the time you don't open that program and it keeps sitting idle there, and some programs are poorly written so they don't free up the space when your system needs it the most, especially if you're playing games and it is using up to 90 to 100% of your RAM usage. In that cases your games start to stutter a bit. To avoid that, I'll show you what you can do. So you should see my screen now. So to open the task manager, click on right click here and then open task manager. You should see the performance here. You are seeing right now I have 8 GB of RAM, 3.8 GB of usage. Out of that, 2.9 GB is cached memory. Let me just minimize that. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to download a program. Let me just okay. So program name is RAMMap. You can find that in Google. You can download it from Microsoft site. You need to type in RAM map. You will come to Microsoft Learn. You click here. You need to download this. It will get downloaded. It will be in the zip format. You need to unzip that file, right click, extract all. Once you click that, it will open something like this. And here you will see a executable file, rammap.exe. You need to open that. It doesn't install the program, it's just open it one time. Let me open the task manager here. Okay, so you can see side by side. Now, what you need to do is you need to click on empty and then click on empty standby list. Once you do that, okay, the cache memory has dropped significantly. You will see. This can help you in certain situation like where uh, your game is stuttering. It's not a go to fix because it will again try to cache the memory once again, but it can give you instant boost where you are experiencing problem performance issue. And you can do this if you haven't done it in a while, maybe month or a weeks, because some programs are not well written, so they don't clear up automatically. So it is better to do it manually. I hope this trick helped you, and if it does, do let me know. And I have another few videos which can help you improve your performance of your system. If you're interested, you can watch them. And have a good day. Bye bye.